It is the 4th of August 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about protected Pacific waters. 3 other top news stories featured on LinguaWire.com today. First, Capital One ferme des comptes Trump. Capital One closes Trump accounts. Next, Henderson rejoint Chelsea. Henderson joins Chelsea. And Max Miller reste dans la course. Max Miller stays in the race. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud. Now let us decode it word by word. Les means the, plural. Eau means waters. Du means of the. Pacifique, Pacifique. S'ouvre means open, means to. La means the. Pêche means fishing. The headline shows the pattern of a plural noun plus a verb in the plural. Les eaux s'ouvrent. L'administration ouvre les eaux du Pacifique. The administration opens the Pacific waters. Ouvre. The key verb in today's headline means to open. More examples are on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Ces zones sont des sanctuaires marins. These areas are marine sanctuary. Sanctuaires is the conservation word here, and it fits the protected ocean places in the story. More examples in the lesson sheet. L'océan a plus d'1 million de miles carrés. The ocean has more than 1 million square miles. Million is the number word to notice, and it tells you the area is very large. Palmyra Atoll est loin, mais un centre y travaille. Palmyra Atoll is far away, but a center works there. Mais is the word that joins the two ideas and shows contrast. Personne n'y vit de façon permanente. No one lives there permanently. Today's word is permanente. Say it with me. Permanente. The ending is soft and clear. Now for the pattern of the day, j'ouvre. Tu ouvres. Il ouvre. Nous ouvrons. Vous ouvrez. Ils ouvrent. The headline uses the il oral form. Ouvre. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What happens to the Pacific waters? Is it A. Ouvertes à la pêche, fermées à la pêche? Or C. Dans une ville? Think about it. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.